Hello everybody, this is Dr. Thunder. Today, I would like to show you how to solve a math question. X cubed minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. We want to know how much is x. The equation looks quite simple, but actually it's pretty difficult. I think I will give a 1-star difficulty for this question. So recently we have a similar equation. So again, we use the old method. We assume x equal to a plus b. Then we plug a plus b into the equation, so we get this. And we rearrange the equation. Eventually we get this. So if 3ab is equal to 3 and a cubed plus b cubed equal to minus 1, then the equation holds. So we get two equations. And then we have b equal to 1 over a. Then we plug this into the first equation. Then we rearrange everything, we get this equation. So if we assume y is a cubed, then the first term will become y squared, and y squared plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So it's not difficult to solve this equation. So we introduce I here. I is the square root of minus 1. If we look at these results, I think they remind us of something. For example, we know that cosine 60 degree is half, and at the same time, sine 60 degree is square root of 3 over 2. So then we based on this observation, we introduce the Euler's formula. Eix equal to cosine x plus I sine x. Again, I is the square root of minus 1. So we have two options for a cubed. The first one is minus half plus I square root of 3 over 2. So based on the Euler's formula, then a cubed can be EI 120 degree. Generally speaking, they don't write a degree here. They use a pi something. But for the convenience, we use a degree instead. So when x is 120 degree, then cosine x is minus half. Sine x, sine 120 degree is square root 3 over 2. And then if we add 360 degree to this number, then it becomes 480, 840, 1200, etc. So this means a equal to, we divide this angle by 3. A equal to EI 40 degree, or EI 160 degree, EI 280 degree, and then EI 400 degree. If we look at here, 400 degree, EI 400 degree has the same value of EI 40 degree. So we don't need to expand the list. We just use these three numbers here. And then when a cubed is equal to the other solution, minus half minus I square root of 3 over 2, then again we get a similar results. A cubed can have many options, and then A can have this AI 80, AI 200, AI 320, etc. And then again, the last one, AI 440 will be the same as AI 80. So we don't need to continue the list. So now we look at the first option. When A is equal to this three number, when A is this, then B, remember B is 1 over A, then B is A minus 1, so we get this number. Then X equal to A plus B, then we have X either equal to 2 cosine 40 degree, 2 cosine 160 degree, or 2 cosine 280 degree. But if we look at this, cosine 160 degree is minus cosine 20 degree, and cosine 280 degree is cosine 80 degree. So we have these three numbers here. Now look at the second option of A cube. So remember we get three numbers here, and then we have X equal to these three number, but remember we already get a same number here, 2 cosine 80, so we just eliminate this one. And then for the second one, 2 cosine 200, that's equal to minus 2 cosine 20 degree. Again, we already get the same solution here, so we can eliminate this one. And then 2 cosine 320 is equal to 2 cosine 40. We already get the same solution. So in the end, in summary, there's three solutions for X: minus 2 cosine 20 degree, 2 cosine 80 degree, 2 cosine 40 degree. And we also calculate the numerical values here. So thank you for viewing. If you like my video, please comment, like, and subscribe.